The word altcoin is a combination of two words, alt and coin, which includes all alternatives to Bitcoin. We can also refer to altcoins as the other cryptocurrencies launched after the success of Bitcoin. As of early 2020, there were more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies by some estimates. It is not clear which altcoins are worth counting. For example, if someone announces an altcoin and releases some source code, but no one has started mining or using it yet, will it count? No. According to CoinMarketCap, which is a website which gives information about cryptocurrency market cap rankings, altcoins accounts for over 34% of the total cryptocurrency market in February 2020. Since we have now understood what are altcoins, in the next slide we would see a brief history of altcoins. This image depicts the history of altcoins from 2009. Cryptocurrency historians widely consider the Namecoin network as the very first altcoin. Namecoin is not depicted in this picture. Litecoin came out in October 2011. XRP, which was developed and released in 2012, is a currency exchange and remittance network that independent servers can validate. Monero, started in 2014, encourages those seeking financial privacy since payments and account balances using Monero remain entirely hidden. Dash altcoin, released the same year, permits transactions that can be untraceable. Ether is the cryptocurrency generated by the Ethereum platform as a reward to mining nodes for computations performed and is the only currency accepted in the payment of transaction fees. Zcash aims at using cryptography to provide enhanced privacy. Developed and released in the year 2016, the aim of Steam blockchain is to provide a platform for decentralized application hosting as well as decentralized data storage. EOS.io, which is a smart contract platform, claims to eliminate transaction fees and also conduct millions of transactions per second. Now we have seen a brief history of altcoins starting from 2009. Next we will see in detail about a few notable altcoins in the next slide. Namecoin was the first to solve front-running attack where a malicious node observes a transaction after it is broadcast but before it is finalized, and the malicious node attempts to have its own transaction confirmed before instead of the observed transaction. Namecoin was the first fork of Bitcoin and is still one of the most innovative altcoins. It was the first to implement merged mining, which we will see in the later lectures, and a decentralized DNS. The root DNS servers, which are essential to the functioning of the internet, as most internet services such as the World Wide Web, electronic mail, are based on domain names. The DNS servers are potential points of failure for the entire internet. Namecoin's goal is to provide a decentralized version of the domain name system, DNS, the names in the database being domain names and the values being IP addresses. The Namecoin software is used to register names and store associated values in the blockchain, a shared database distributed by our P2P network in a secured way. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, reports Namecoin's DNS initiative as most well-known example of distributing control and privacy in DNS. Next, we will see about Litecoin. The advantage of Litecoin are that the Litecoin transactions are faster than Bitcoin, since a Litecoin network processes a block every 2.5 minutes, whereas Bitcoin takes 10 minutes to process a block. The disadvantage is that Litecoin uses script algorithm, and so FPGA and ASIC devices made for mining Litecoin are more complicated to create and more expensive to produce than for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin uses SHA-256. The other notable cryptocurrencies which use script algorithm are Dogecoin, which was released in 2013, and Aurora coin, which was released in 2014, which was created as an alternative currency for the country Iceland. Now we have seen some of the altcoins such as Namecoin and Litecoin. We will now focus on how Bitcoins and altcoins are correlated with each other and how will it be in the future. Now we will see if positive or negative correlation exists between Bitcoins and altcoins. Since lots of altcoins are priced in Bitcoins, so there is a positive correlation as both coins fluctuate similarly in a 90-day period. Mostly the present way to buy altcoins is normally a multi-step process. First of using fiat money from bank to buy old Bitcoins, and then to buy altcoins through exchanges. But in future, this trend may shift. Even at present, many altcoins are not having big swings along with Bitcoin. Ripple is an open source distributed payment protocol that enables instant payments. Businesses of any size can easily build payment solutions such as banking or remittance apps. Ripple works with gateways, independent businesses which hold customer deposits in various currencies such as US dollars, euros, in exchange for providing cryptographically signed issuances that users can send and trade with one another in seconds on the Ripple network. Within the protocol, exchanges between multiple currencies can occur automatically without any central authority to monitor them. Later, customers can withdraw their Ripple balances from the gateways that created those issuances. How do Ripple payments work? A sender specifies the amount and currency the recipient should receive, and Ripple automatically converts the sender's available currencies using the distributed order books integrated into the Ripple protocol. Ripple uses a pathfinding algorithm that considers currency pairs when converting from the source to the destination currency. This algorithm searches for a series of currency swaps that gives the user the lowest cost. Since anyone can participate as a market maker, market forces drive fees to the lowest practical level. What can you do with Ripple? The protocol is entirely open source and the network's shared ledger is public information, so no central authority prevents anyone from participating. Anyone can become a market maker, create a wallet or a gateway, or monitor network behavior. Competition drives down the fees, making the network useful to everyone. A lot of other exciting projects are out there, but we will stop at this point as example should be enough. To summarize, we have seen what altcoins and its correlation with Bitcoin. We have seen some history of altcoins and some of the technologies that the famous altcoins are based on.